You don't have a discipline problem, you have a trust problem with yourself. At some point, you made promises. You said you're going to wake up early, eat better, stay consistent. And then you didn't. Not once, not twice, but enough times that your own mind stopped taking you seriously. And once that happens, everything changes. Now, when you think about doing something difficult, you hesitate. You overthink. You wait for that perfect moment to get started. Not because you're incapable, but because deep down you don't believe you'll follow through. That's the part that nobody really talks about. People will tell you to be more disciplined, push harder, stay motivated. But discipline isn't about going harder. It's about rebuilding trust with yourself. And trust is built the same way it's always been built. You make a promise and you keep it. That's it. It's not a complete life overhaul. It's not some perfect plan. It's one decision you actually follow through on. Something small enough that you can't avoid it. You wake up 30 minutes earlier, you eat one clean meal, you do one workout, and then you keep that promise, because when you do, something starts to shift. Your mind starts to believe you again, and when that happens, you stop negotiating with yourself, you stop hesitating, and you start moving. And that's when everything changes, but this time, for the better. Most people never fix this. They keep chasing motivation instead of rebuilding trust. But the ones who do fix it win in every area of life because they become someone they can rely on. So here's the question for you. What is one promise you already know you should keep, and you will actually keep it starting today?